Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Bluetooth is active and your Airpods are ready. Open the case near the Mac and confirm they appear in Bluetooth. Once paired, go to System Settings Sound and select your Airpods as output and input, because FL Studio will follow Mac OS routing. Make sure to quit other apps using audio so there's no device grab. Now launch FL Studio. Don't configure audio yet. You need to set Mac OS first, so FL Studio detects the Airpods cleanly. Once FL Studio is open, go straight to Options and Audio Settings. You must pick the audio device that matches the Airpods or the aggregate device you created. Set the buffer to 256 or 512 samples to balance latency and stability, and match FL Studio's sample rate to Mac OS audio, usually 44,100 Hz. If you made an aggregate device, ensure channels map correctly for input and output. Make sure SEO wrappers are off. Using core Mac OS audio avoids driver conflicts. Then test with a simple pattern. You finish by playing a loop and listening for latency or glitches. Small delay is normal with Bluetooth, so evaluate whether it's acceptable for tracking versus mixing. If you hear pops or dropouts, increase buffer to 1024 samples or rebuild the aggregate device to fix channel mapping. Should pairing fail, toggle Bluetooth, restart FL Studio, and if needed, reset your Airpods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds. Finally, consider wired monitoring for critical recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.